how MiAmor
step-by-step ways you can register on MiAmor platform without getting scammed. Number one,
MiAmor is a platform that
here's a full explanation on.
So my people, so now waiting at the CBD. So since how many days now I just they scroll online, they see MiAmor. So I just say make I do small research about this MiAmor stuff. I just open their website, so make we see together. I go share my opinion, make you know say this one. No, I no come here to come they do tutorial. Now my opinion I come here come share. Because person asked me say this MiAmor platform waiting in they all about. So now I say okay, make I do this video because I want to share my opinion. Waiting at they see then say MiAmor ecosystem. Welcome to your all-in-one reward and community platform. Tailored for Africa's connected youth. They say register now, join community. They say reward your digital present. Waiting then they try talk now. They say they be tax earning platform. We be say if they post, if they do plenty things, and they also get affiliate program according to waiting then talk. Early bird offer ends soon. 2 days. He say 2 days, 23 hours. Since the first day, now waiting at CBDs. They still did 2 days, 23 hours. I beg, why would not come put this countdown for this place? So which one can be early access again? So they say Amor complete this get airtime as rewards. Then say increase your earnings. They say grow your income. So they say total user registered. The thing just they kinds like that. I don't know whether na their real website be this, but when I search on Google now waiting pop up and the first stuff we pop up with this, you understand? The problem with me I can't notice here be say anytime where I click on register now, then they carry me go their Telegram community. Now, anytime I click on register now, then they carry me go their Telegram community and get very big Telegram channel with over 12,400 members or subscribers on Telegram. Get one bot where they call a verified bot. Now this bot here go just they wind you up and down. They say make you pay money. Registration fee no be 500 naira. It no be 1k, no be 2k, no be 5k. 10,000 naira for this small package. So I don't scroll through this platform. I don't scroll through this Telegram. So waiting me account they see here where they be say without you paying, and they go send you the registration link. They get welcome bonus. Now any platform will give you this kind of amount of welcome bonus run. You go they collect small thing for the moment. But highest, I give this platform highest 3 months. 3 months. If you don't too much, 4 months stops. How many of you know they hear about Deluxe? This platform, they like Deluxe. They come with registration fee. They pay plenty people for TikTok to shout about them. People go shout. Different celebrities go come talk about them. And at the end of the day, nothing. Now, no be say people know they collect money from this platform. All the tax way they complete, then go they pay you in points. You can't convert that your point to naira. You see, say the money no come make sense. Then get their points for their platform. I don't use platforms like this a lot. Then they always they get packages. They always they get welcome bonus. They always they get daily tax. Then go tell you stream music. Then go tell you learn course. Then go tell you login bonus. Everyday login bonus. Everyday tax bonus. You understand? Now, so these kind of platforms they do. If you know see you know sabi refer anybody, make you run for these kind of platforms. Refer me, I refer you, now then be this. So based on my own findings, what I don't find out, now so this MiAmor day. And there's no guarantee be say that your money where you pay go see and back. If they won't frustrate you, person will register you for the platform. After you register, you finish. You know go answer you, go just block you. Happy go just leave you alone there, make you they struggle. You understand? Highest, you go just add you to your WhatsApp group. Now so the cycle just they turn like that. They turn. Once they register you, then go add you to their WhatsApp group. After that, you know say plenty messages there. Then they find new people to register. Without them to register people, they no go see money. So then go they look for other people. Now after you don't register you, then go they collect. I mean, it's not a bad idea. It's not bad. But I beg, if you be person will be say you know like affiliate program, make you avoid this platform. Avoid the platform. You get one update where I don't use for some time now. You understand? I don't use them for some time. I know will give you guarantee, but this one you must work. This particular update where they call Gpto. Now one Gpt platform, Gpt site will be say if they complete small micro jobs. I don't use them. I don't they collect some small things for myself. Then get offer walls, then get watching ads and all those kind of things like that. Will be say if you do like based on what you they see here, they say N naira online. They say complete simple tax online. They say visit site. They say participate in surveys. Then get surveys too if you take. You understand? And then get social interactions and more. If you just they check out all this stuff, then get small things. See, PTC means say paid to click, and the thing don't they reward me with small stuff. But if you find a full tutorial, check my cirrden account, cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. I don't do the tutorial drop there for people who go like to check out the updates. I don't they collect small things just like what you they see for screen like this. So tell me what you think for comment section. I've been saying make I review Mi Amor, make we check, make we see us in there. But based on as I don't talk about them like this, now affiliate program, now way in B. You understand? Now strictly affiliate. Now make if you go on TikTok, people they talk about them every time, so that if you carry people from TikTok put for their WhatsApp group, and if you register those people, they go collect. That one a normal thing. If you know sabi refer person, make you know try them. So tell me what you think for comment section. Share your own opinion for comment section. I will see you now for my next video, and bye for now.